Advanced Home Energy is a licensed contractor that specializes in providing services that help improve the comfort, health, and efficiency of a home. Advanced Home Energy is different than the typical contractor in the sense that we're looking at the house as a system. So we'll come in and we'll use advanced technology such as a blower door to pressurize the home, an infrared camera to look at the various issues in the building envelope, a duct blaster to pressurize the duct system and find all the leaks. And using all these sophisticated tools, we really get a holistic idea of what's happening in the home. We try to figure out from a scientific perspective what's going on, and then we find the best solution that fits the needs of the client and the unique issues going on in the home.
They look at the home as a complete system. So whereas a window contractor might come in and say, oh, I can replace your windows and you'll get some energy efficiency. Advanced Home Energy comes in and can prioritize where you get the most energy efficiency for the least amount of dollars.
Advanced Home Energy seem to come from a more scientific background, and so they're bringing a whole different experience and educational background to the industry, which is really great for us to work with because we learn a lot in the process about the systems that make a house work, about what makes it more energy efficient.
So we look at all these issues and then we provide a diagnosis to a homeowner. It's basically like a report card for your home.
The way that Advanced Home Energy explained really what the house was going to be like when the work was done in terms of energy efficiency and the benefit that we would see as homeowners. It's very technical stuff, but it was very approachable the way that it was explained to us, so there was a good feeling about it.
We're sort of going through this nesting phase and we want to start a family, and it's really important to us to have a comfortable home. Advanced Home Energy came in and put in a high efficiency furnace, new registers and ductwork all throughout the house, and wall insulation on all the exterior walls and in the attic. And they also did air sealing. They were great. We were really happy with the quality of the work. Everyone who came to the house was very friendly and helpful and informative, and certainly the end product was excellent.
This brand new furnace system that we had put in, we barely used because the insulation and the air tightness was so great that all winter long, this was a really toasty house.
If you turn it on in the evening, you feel a difference in it, the house warming up almost immediately. It's just really comfortable. It's been important to us to create a healthy environment. We want to start a family, and so a lot of the upgrades we're doing are low VOC or non-toxic insulation, or just trying to create a healthy home environment.
There's something that we call the perfect storm that we find quite often, that we have a very leaky duct system down in a crawl space. And during the winter time, when we're using that system the most, all that moisture and mildew and smells is being sucked into the duct system and circulated throughout the home. So when we seal up the duct system, we're not only improving the efficiency, but we're really making the home much more healthy for the inhabitants. We are certainly a proponent of solar energy, but we have a slightly different perspective on it. We believe that first you should do your efficiency work. Why? Because it's more cost effective. You do that efficiency work and you reduce your overall consumption. And then what we can do is we can size the solar system to the new consumption of the house.
We'd recommend Advanced Home Energy because they were so great to work with. They were very friendly, always on time, very communicative, very informative about energy efficiency upgrades and why we should consider doing things the green way. And the quality of the work was excellent.
As a result of the work that Advanced Home Energy has done, I have been checking my energy bills year over year, comparing last year to this year, and I see consistently a 40 to 50% savings.
It's our goal to walk away from a home knowing that the homeowner is going to feel better about their house, is going to reduce their consumption of natural resources, and is going to have a more comfortable and healthy house.